First of all, I'm a grown man. I don't have hiccups. I may hiccup, but I'm not sitting here 5 minutes later like, yeah. So I called him last week, and he gonna say, I called his phone, and I'm like, yo, you ain't home? He said, no, man. The only thing missing from that is a bib. I'm a grown ass man. I'm not. I know. No, you can't have the hiccups. You can't be a boxer and have hiccups. Like, how you in the middle of a round and you like supposed? You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't do that. Oh, Jabs.